Hey there friends on YouTube, my name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe please. If you've been here before, thank you. For my next video, I'd like to do one on a comparison of 3 different air fresheners. This one is like a Febreze type. It's liquid. You have to put it in the vent only. Once you push that in, it pops it, opens it, and then you have vents. You can control how much or how little escapes. They can be kind of messy. They're, like I said, they're liquid, and it's going to come out as soon as you push that and pops it in. Okay, the other type is your common old school tree, for want of a better word. It's got some air freshener soaked in it. It acts kind of like the sponge effect, and they last a very short period of time. So here's the comparison of all 3, and I've already done an unboxing and a video on Andobils, and this is the Andobil long-lasting car freshener. And you basically take the back off, and it's a donut, and it unscrews, and you can put the lanyard in it, which I'm going to show you a video on how I did that. You just unscrew it, place it there, screw it back in, but the insides, it's metal and it's unscrewable, so your air freshener is inside and it slowly releases it over a long period of time. The solid particle ring lasts 50 to 60 days. When it's depleted, you just easily replace it with a new internal ring. And like I said, I wanted to compare it to the other types on the market. And here's, oh yeah, we also have, this is the ability to use it in a vent, a car vent, air vent. You just push it in, and then you push it onto the vent. I'm going to use the lanyard. I like the lanyard way it kind of stays out of view. There's the typical kind of Febreze type. You push it. Once you push it, it opens it up, and then you see there was a lever on the other side. It's liquid. It can be a mess compared to that. Okay, and then we have our basic tree style that's doesn't last more than a few days, I've always found. So the Andobil is far superior compared to any of the others here that I've mentioned. And again, I have an unboxing and an opening and an about the item in the video I'll put in the link. So that's my video on the comparison of 3 different air fresheners compared to, actually 2 different air fresheners compared to the Andobil's superior long-lasting car air freshener. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below, and till next time, I'm out.